How to use your InstaCuppa tea infuser bottle. We'll need hot water, loose leaf tea, and InstaCuppa 4-in-1 tea infuser bottle. Take off the infuser from the bottle. Depending on your taste, put 2 tablespoons or more of loose leaf tea in the infuser. Cover the infuser with a short strainer. Put the infuser back in the bottle, then fill it with just enough hot water to soak the leaf tea. Make sure not to soak the strainer handle completely in the water. Close the bottle using the bamboo lid cover. Notice how the leaf tea changes the color of the water quickly. Let it infuse for at least 4 minutes, or more, depending on your taste preference. For quick infusion, you can flip the bottle upside down. After 4 minutes of tea infusion, let's see what happens. Here's our ready-to-drink hot tea. Now, pull the strainer and infuser off the bottle, and enjoy your hot tea on the go.